Intersection syndrome, it is also called as a crossover syndrome, Workman's wrist, peritendinitis crepitans, subcutaneous perimyositis and squeaker's wrist. Now what it is? It is actually the crossing of the first and the second extensor compartment, that is the abductor pollicis longus and the extensor pollicis brevis, which are the part of the first compartment, and the extensor carpi radialis longus and extensor carpi radialis brevis, which are the part of second compartment, and they cross at about 4 to 8 centimeters proximal to the Lister's tubercle. So exactly from here at this point to this point, in between this region, the two extensor compartments cross. And in those patients who are heavy manual laborers, sports person who are doing sports like racket sports, canoeing, skiing, cycling, or any kind of a sport which has more flexion and extension movement of the wrist, there is a tendinitis in this particular area. Now these patients will have pain, swelling, edema over that particular region, and when the patient tries to flex and extend the wrist, there is also a crepitus which is seen. Now this disorder is often confused with decurrent stenosynovitis. As compared to an intersection syndrome, decurrent stenosynovitis has pain which is more over the radial styloid, and it is the tight first extensor compartment, that is the abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis. So the pain is more distal at the level of radial styloid as compared to, it is more proximal in the intersection syndrome. It is about 4 to 8 centimeters proximal to the Lister's tubercle in case of the intersection syndrome. Now as compared to a decurrent stenosynovitis, in intersection syndrome we are more conservative, and most of the patients are better with rest, with local modalities, with NSAIDs, and in some particular patient we also give a wrist splint or a thumb spica splint, and we usually give this splint in about 15 to 20 degrees of dorsiflexion. Very rarely we may need to do a surgical intervention in these patients, which is not a norm. So guys, if you have pain at the level of about 4 to 8 centimeter proximal to wrist, that is more suggestive of a intersection syndrome, and if you are having a problem like that, you must consult your orthopedic surgeon.